Got a little John Deere 1020 here we're working on. Bought it from a friend, and fuel pump seems to be something wrong with. Seems like timing is right. Valves seem to be working in the right order. And it'll run if you give it starting fluid till it gets to like half throttle. And then the fuel pump makes enough pressure to run. Pull the injector out, and it doesn't really spray until it's like half throttle, so I'm pretty sure the pump's bad. So I sent the pump out to be rebuilt. Gotta wait till it comes back, and we'll see how it goes.